Hi, Murphy. You gonna come say hi? He's ignoring me. You gonna ignore me? Oh, sweet boy. Hi. You need to run around a bit. Yeah. Come on. He says, no, Mom, I don't want to. It's been windy. We get what they call the Santa Ana winds here. So he might be a little tired. It's a little stressful living outside in the wind. He says, I think I'll just play with the encouraging lunge whip. Yeah, it fell. No, you're gonna paw it now. You're so silly. All right, I'm in the shade here. Hopefully this will come out okay. All right, I'll keep it short. Oh, he's gonna eat a tree. Oh, you can hear the wind. Can you hear it? And there's the. It's still windy here. Yeah, this is my shady video. Bye. Love you, Murph.